God is restoring hope in this season. That thing that you've been praying for, it's going to happen a lot sooner than what you think. Before you even have the prayer out of your mouth, God is already answering. That thing that you felt like was going to take months, years, whatever, just a long time, God's fixing to do it suddenly. And for those that may not believe right now, God is restoring your faith. He's restoring your belief. He's restoring your hope, and He's doing that quickly. Like, God can change anything in an instant, and I think we forget that sometimes. I think we forget that, and we put Him in a box, and we start thinking in our own mentality and with our own strength, and we forget that He's the God of the universe, that He can literally do anything in an instant. He can change anyone. He can change anything. He can reverse things. He can renew things, because that's who He is. That's why He is the Alpha. That's why He is the Omega. You may not even feel like you deserve this, but He's doing it. And He's going to bless you. And it's good. You may not even feel ready, but it's coming. It's coming. And it's going to happen so much sooner than you think. Don't give up. Keep your faith. Stay strong and trust that even if you try to go astray, He will leave the 99 and come after that one. Without a doubt, He's going to come after you, because this is coming to pass. His will is coming to pass over your life. His plans, all of these things, they're coming to pass over your life. They're coming to pass over your children's lives. It's coming to pass over your parents' lives. It's coming. Get in that secret place with Him. That is so, so important. Get in that secret place with Him. Worship Him. Believe in these things. Even if it's hard to do, just do it and spend that time with Him. Y'all, it's amazing how much clarity you can get sometimes when you just get alone with Him. Like, I got in my car earlier and it was just me in there, and it was like somebody just cranked the volume up on Him almost, where I had been feeling like I couldn't hear Him. Not that I couldn't hear Him, but I was almost like, you're not speaking to me. But He's always speaking. But it was when I got in that alone time, and I was like, oh, you're really wanting us to have more alone time with you, and putting Him first. Whatever it is, that thing that you've been praying for, standing for, person, whomever it may be, whatever, all of it, it's going to happen so much faster than you think. So much faster. This is the year. I believe that the enemy tries to come at different things, to discourage us or get us to lose hope or quit believing or lose our faith or whatever. And God said, not today. He's about to step in. God bless y'all. I love you. Shalom.